Are you a graphic designer looking to make money online? In this video, we'll show you how to get started with this lucrative online business model. We'll cover everything from finding your niche and building your portfolio to pricing your services and marketing your business effectively. You'll learn valuable tips and tricks for designing logos, websites, social media graphics, and more, and discover the best platforms for finding clients and growing your business. Whether you're new to graphic design or a seasoned pro, looking to expand your online presence, this video has something for everyone. So if you're ready to start making money online in 2023 with graphic design, be sure to watch this video and learn how to succeed. Here are some additional tips for optimizing your YouTube content for graphic design and making money online. Choose a profitable niche. There are many different niches within graphic design, such as logo design, web design, and branding. Choose a niche that you enjoy and are passionate about, but also one that is in high demand and can generate income for you. Build a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is your chance to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. Make sure your portfolio is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and includes your best work. Price your services appropriately. Do some research on what other graphic designers are charging for similar services to make sure you are pricing yourself appropriately. Be sure to consider your experience level, the complexity of the project, and the time it will take to complete the project. Use social media to market yourself. Social media is a great tool for graphic designers to showcase their work, attract new clients, and network with other professionals in the industry. Be sure to create a professional profile and post regularly with your latest projects and designs. Offer additional services. Consider offering additional services such as print design, marketing materials, or video production to increase your income potential and offer more value to your clients. Remember, building a successful graphic design business on YouTube takes time and effort. Keep creating high-quality content, building your portfolio and marketing your business, and you'll be on your way to success. Good luck!